In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix DNS probe started error in Google Chrome. So first, make sure that your internet connection is stable and working, and if not, make sure to restart it. Simply turn off your router or modem for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on and reconnect to the internet. The next thing you may want to do is close and restart Google Chrome and try opening up the website once again. You should also clear Chrome's cache and cookies by clicking on the three dot icon, then head over to delete browsing data. So here, select cookies and cached images. Other settings are optional and proceed in deleting data. But also make sure that you set the date or range to all time, then proceed in clearing your cache and cookies. Another fix is by opening up CMD or command prompt in your PC, and once inside, simply type in the code ipconfig, then space slash flush DNS, then press enter. Once done, restart your browser once again. Then in the same command prompt window, simply type in ipconfig, then space slash release, then press enter. Then next is type in ipconfig, then space slash renew, then press enter. Now, if the issue continues, change your DNS server settings. And to do that, open up the control panel. Then next is head over to Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. And from here, select your Wi Fi. Then open up Properties. And next is look for Internet Protocol version 4 and double click on it. So from here, switch to use the following DNS server addresses. And for this text box, type in 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type in 8.8.4.4. And once done, simply press the OK button. Also, if you have any VPN, antivirus, or firewall active, make sure to disable them temporarily and check if they are the ones blocking the connection. Finally, reset your Chrome settings by once again heading over to Settings page. And from here in the left panel, head over to Reset Settings, select Restore Settings, and confirm by clicking on the Reset Settings button. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.